you doing? This is our situation right now. The temperature is negative. It's extremely freezing. It's unbearable. But I got some tips for you. Very cold temperature like this can drain your cell phone battery fast. So better not turn your phone on if you're not expecting a very important calls or any communications. So better turn it off. Okay, I will give you a short journey around the area because the area is blanketed with snow. Look how deep the snow is. Look, I'll try to measure with my hand. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Oh, it's really deep. It's over a foot. But in some areas, I saw on the news, whew, they have like 31 inches depth of snow. Whew, and still progressing because it keeps snowing. So we are expecting more inches of snow later this afternoon. Oh, see, the snowflakes keeps falling from the sky. So this is our area. This is our backyard area. And look at the trees. The trees are covered with snow. Yesterday it was bare, that tree. And look around here. Woo! The trees are covered with snow now. With over a foot. It's like 2 feet. It's like 24 inches. Oh, it's nice to play here. It's fresh and white. Wow, snowy, icy, slippery, windy. Hi. So this weather creates dangerous travel conditions. That's why most of the flights are canceled. I'm a Filipino. I enjoy playing the snow. Look how fresh the snow are. Maybe I can make some halo-halo. Oh, look at the trash. Oh, that's our trash stuffs. Look, this is the door going to the kitchen. Oh, I can't believe this. Wow. Oh, the snow is heavier this year than the previous years. Wow, climbing up the wall. Look. Wow. The car. Look at the neighbor's car. Oh, I saw some good neighbors doing their job, shoveling. How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, I'm enjoying the snow. Yeah, you're doing good. Woo! This is over a foot. Ay. Look at the cars covered with snow. Oh, oh my gosh. Ah. Last year we almost didn't get a snow. There was only light snow last year. Oh, my hands are numb. Wow. They're creeping. Going upstairs. Wow, the shovel. Later on my husband's gonna shovel. Oh, another neighbor of ours shoveling the driveway. And that little boy is just like me, enjoying the snow. What happened to the world now? Snow around the area, and it's scary. This is our front yard. Wow, it looks like sky. I hope I can stay more than 5 minutes. It's not good to stay longer. Woo. Prolonged exposure to cold can cause hypothermia or dangerous drop in temperature, and that's a thing to be avoided. No matter how I love the snow, but I still have to keep myself warm. Wow, our plants. Wow, then later on, I get my camera for my photography. Wow. Ooh, numb hand. That's our live Christmas tree. Oh, careful, Lourdes. Ooh. Most of the people here are snowed in because the temperature is very unbearable. Okay, so this is the current situation here, and see you in my next video. We don't have this in the Philippines. I look up the roof. Look, it's icy. The roof of our neighbor. I'll go get inside now. Ooh, I'm frozen. Until next video, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching.